Hi, my Israel. Hi, my love. He has on this Texas Ranger shirt. Texas Rangers. Wow. Totally did not pronounce that right. And BJ is trying to catch butterflies. But I'm pretty sure there aren't no butterflies out, but it's always good to play a game of pretend. Scratch, I just saw one. It went in the bushes. Oh man. I guess there are butterfly out. Here, come over here, baby. Come this way.
Mommy, where is someone?
It went in the bushes right there.
But I can find the other one.
You can't find the other one?
No.
You gotta be quick and fast.
Oh.
So the butterfly thing didn't work, so we got a water gun. I got you. You dying, BJ. Alright, I'll let you get mommy. Go ahead. Go ahead, get mommy. Let go. Go ahead. He got the squeeze. Oh, he got a lot of water. I'll get you. BJ, you cheated. Okay, go ahead. You get mama. I can't get you. Mommy's tired. Ooh, BJ, you're soaking wet. Okay.